5 ways to be successful. 1. Set clear goals. Success requires clarity about what you want to achieve. Set specific and measurable goals that are challenging yet achievable. Write them down and create a plan of action to accomplish them. 2. Develop a positive attitude. A positive attitude is critical to success. Believe in yourself, your abilities, and your potential. Stay optimistic, even in the face of setbacks or failures, and learn from your mistakes. 3. Take consistent action. Success requires consistent action towards your goals. Make a habit of taking daily, focused action that moves you closer to your objectives. Keep yourself accountable and stay disciplined. 4. Learn and adapt. Success often requires learning new skills and adapting to changing circumstances. Be open to feedback and new ideas, and never stop learning. Continuously evaluate your progress and adjust your strategies as needed. 5. Build strong relationships. Success is rarely achieved alone. Build strong relationships with people who share your goals and values, and who can offer support, advice, and guidance. Cultivate a network of mentors, peers, and collaborators who can help you achieve your goals. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.